Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. This is my OnePlus 12R. Most toppers are using OxygenOS 16.0.2 with 400 build on this device. But finally, starting from yesterday, we began receiving the new release candidate version that is OxygenOS 16.0.3 v500, which is about 970 MB in the size on the top of OxygenOS 16.0.2 version. This update has added some amazing changes and the features for OnePlus 12 series. Some features are new and OnePlus didn't mention them in the changelog of this update. So today we flash this version, and this first part of review video of new version we are going to check out all the new features. We also show new features that OnePlus forget to mention in the changelog. At the end of the video we will discuss the ARB status of this version along with whether it is safe to update or not. Now without further delay, let's get started. After updating to this version, OxygenOS version is updated to 16.0.3 v500. The same will be mentioned under the version section. The SOTA version is same as old version, it is BRB1 v30p01. Security patches are of latest February 2026. So everything is up to date now after 1 month of long waiting time. This update has amazing features mentioned in the changelog. But we also discovered some new features that OnePlus forget to mention. Let's check out them one by one. The first new set of features is related to the OnePlus Photo application. In the private save folder of this version, we get the slider control to smoothly scroll between content of private save. Next, in private save album, we get a new search bar so we can immediately find out the desired content by just typing the keywords. We can search the content within the album or outside the album also. Next feature is we can now directly share any photos or videos of private save without removing them from private save album, which is necessary in the previous OxygenOS versions. The next feature is related to OnePlus Launcher app drawer. OnePlus already provided a new categories section for app drawer. This app categorization is now smarter and provides the new finance and hobbies categorizations of applications so we can easily find out our desired application with just few taps. This feature is not mentioned by OnePlus in the changelog. Next is most anticipated feature, that is live match score in the live alert. It's working this version. You just need to keep the notification toggle enabled for live alert of Google Sports notification, which is present in notification and quick setting option. Also, you must select the sports under the customizable space of Google Feed. After these settings, if you get any live scores of ongoing matches, they will be displayed as a live alert until the match will be finished. Next is very important feature added by OnePlus, that is system-wide bypass charging. You will get the new bypass charging toggle under the battery and the charging setting. We already discussed the benefits of bypass charging, how it works and its flaws in OnePlus devices. You can check it from the iCard video link. To use this setting, you need to connect the charger first to your device. Here I am using 30-watt charger to confirm whether bypass charging is working or not on OnePlus 12R. Because in our old video we already showed that OnePlus bypass charging has some flaws. Once you connect the charger, you can enable the bypass charging by directly turning on the bypass charging toggle. Or you can set the charging threshold level percentage like 20%, 40, 60, 80%, etc. Once your device reaches to desired charging level, bypass charging will automatically get activated. Once you enable the bypass charging toggle, its notification will be displayed in the notification panel. To confirm whether bypass charging is working or not, I use the two methods, that is hardware info application and engineering mode. You will see my device battery charging is at 47%. In the hardware info application under the battery section, though it's showing the battery charging, battery voltage level is not fluctuating, meaning the battery is stopped completely and the current is directly passing to CPU and other components, skipping the battery. Similarly, I use the engineering mode by dialing *899# in the dialer. In the engineering mode under the manual test, under the device debug setting, for charging test, the battery charging percentage stayed at 47% and the battery current was in a negative value, meaning battery is not charging at all. All of this states shown that if you use low watt charger, OnePlus bypass charging works properly. I also tested bypass charging using OnePlus 65 watt superwatt charger, and there I got some fluctuations in the battery current, but they are in a negative value. But I will conclude whether this feature is still buggy or not in our upcoming video after thorough testing of bypass charging feature. If you enable the bypass charging setting in the battery section, it will automatically activate across the overall system, including the game assistant. This time while playing the games with the bypass charging, the game FPS stayed nearby 120 FPS, which was highly fluctuating in the old version of OxygenOS 16. The battery charge percentage also stayed constant at 40%. That is same as when I started playing the game after enabling the bypass charging. All of these things currently shows that the bypass charging issue is fixed by OnePlus, which we already discussed with the details in our old video. Last but not least, what is the status of ARB in this OxygenOS version? We already uploaded video regarding how to check the ARB status of OxygenOS firmware. Its link is available in the iCard and in video description. If you open that video, there in the description of that video, I have added the anti-rollback checker GitHub link, where you will find all the devices and their OxygenOS ARB status. Here you can see our OnePlus 12R with latest version of Indian region, its firmware number, ARB indicator is 0, and the date when its status has been verified. It is mentioned as 4th February 2026. In the last column, it's confirmed as the safe with the green check mark. So this OxygenOS 16 version for OnePlus 12R is safe to roll back. My initial impression of this device performance on the OnePlus 12R after this update seems much better compared to all other versions I used till the date. But still for the next 3-4 days I will use this new OxygenOS 16 version on my OnePlus 12R and will report its performance, battery life and the gaming in the second review video part of this update. So stay tuned to our channel. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.